Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and electronics to see if they really live up to the hype. Today, we're checking out the Canceluiz TV antenna for smart TVs, an indoor digital antenna that promises full HDTV access, 4K and 1080p picture quality, and a sleek, compact design that fits anywhere in your home. So, what exactly does this antenna offer? The Canceluiz indoor TV antenna is designed to help you cut the cable cord and enjoy free local channels. That means you can access your favorite shows, news, sports, and kids programming without the monthly subscription fees. It's compact and discreet, so it won't clutter your living space, and its 4K and 1080p compatibility ensures a crisp, vibrant picture quality. The built-in smart IC chip with crystal-clear filter technology optimizes signal reception, reducing noise while enhancing the clarity of the channels you watch. One of the standout features of this antenna is its long range and 360-degree signal reception. Whether your local broadcast towers are close or farther away, this antenna is designed to pick up signals from multiple directions. It's built to support a range of up to 120 miles, making it a powerful option for both urban and suburban environments. Keep in mind, though, that positioning can affect reception, so moving it around and rescanning channels may be necessary to find the best setup. Installation is straightforward thanks to the magnetic base, allowing the antenna to attach securely to most metal surfaces. You can place it behind your TV or near a window for optimal reception. The included coaxial cable is high quality, thick, and designed to minimize signal loss. The antenna connects via a standard F-male connector, and it's powered through a USB port, making it compatible with most modern TVs and digital converter boxes. Setting it up is as simple as plugging it in, positioning it, and scanning for channels, with the flexibility to adjust orientation to achieve the best reception. The antenna comes with everything you need to get started: the HDTV antenna itself, a TV antenna amplifier, and a detailed user manual. It supports both vertical and horizontal polarization and operates across VHF and UHF frequencies, making it versatile for picking up a wide variety of local channels. With a gain of 39 dBi and VSWR of less than 1.5, the design focuses on delivering a strong, stable signal for uninterrupted viewing. In terms of size, it's surprisingly compact, easy to hide, and doesn't take up much space, making it an ideal choice for smaller living rooms, apartments, or bedrooms. Despite its small footprint, the antenna is capable of delivering clear, stable HDTV signals to enhance your viewing experience without the clutter of traditional cable setups. Overall, the Canceluiz TV antenna for smart TVs is a practical, cost-effective solution for anyone looking to access local HDTV channels without cable. Its combination of compact design, long-range signal reception, easy setup, and compatibility with modern TVs makes it a versatile addition to any home entertainment setup. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to cut the cord and still enjoy high-quality local channels, this antenna is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and critiques on the latest tech products.